Foods to eat to achieve a healthy weight gain. Although it's unusual in today's world to want to gain weight, it's not always easy. Doctors will recommend weight gain to people who weigh less than they should. This is usually to avoid health problems. While there are a wide range of reasons to add more weight, such as working out or bodybuilding, healthy weight gain should be the goal. In this video, we will be exploring foods to eat to achieve a healthy weight gain. Hello everyone, it is Sophie from Tony's team. You are welcome to another video. Let's get started with foods that can help with healthy weight gain. Number 1. Coconut milk. The benefits that lie in coconut milk consumption are beyond the sumptuous taste. Coconut milk offers people a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. Additionally, coconut milk is a great source of minerals and calcium. People who crave to gain weight as quickly as possible can choose coconut milk for its sweet and silky taste. It is also very creamy and is packed with a lot of fat, both the good and the not so good. The protein-rich contents along with the saturated fat can quickly help build muscle. Drinking coconut milk after training or a workout can be beneficial for muscle building, even more than cow-based products. For anyone seeking healthy weight gain through healthy foods, consuming coconut milk remains one of the most reliable foods to go for. Number 2. Dried fruits. A quick way of gaining calories is by consuming dried fruits, maybe a handful or two. They can help to gain a quick and healthy weight. They also make very great snacks for weight gainers. They provide the right number of calories and still offer lots of vitamins and nutrients. Raisins as an example of dried fruits. A cup of this specific dried fruit contains about 490 calories. On the other hand, a fresh cup of fresh grapes has just about 60 calories, making dried ones better for gaining healthy weight than fresh ones. There are a host of other dried fruits beyond raisins. Some of these fruits include apricots, spikes, and berries. Number 3. Nuts and nuts butter. For healthy weight gain, nuts and nut butter can help achieve a healthy weight gain. You can get more than 70 calories and 6 grams of protein. Additionally, you can find 15 grams of healthy fats and 4 grams of healthy fats. Adding about 100 calories of calories is easier by eating nuts and nut butter. This is simply due to their very high calories. However, combining them with a few meals or snacks will go a long way to gaining a reasonable number of calories. Number 4. Fruits. Fruits are also a great way to gain healthy fat. As much as they are packed with vitamins and nutrients, they also have a large number of calories. And if you eat the right fruits regularly, you are sure to build up a few extra calories in the long run. Fruits like mango, banana, and coconut are all rich in calories. Number 5. Salmon. With the ability to produce about 240 calories from 6 ounces of salmon, it remains one of the best foods to take for a healthy weight gain. Apart from that, it is very rich in fats, making them an appropriate choice for people who are enthusiastic about healthily adding to their weight. Salmon has different nutrients such as omega-3 and protein, which are all beneficial to the body. Number 6. Potatoes and starches. Getting extra calories from this food isn't only easy, but also cost-effective. A few sources of starchy carbs to try out include corn, oats, beans and legumes, and lots more. Apart from potatoes and starches increasing the needed calories in the body, they are also found to help increase the muscle glycogen stores. Glycogen is mainly the source of fuel when it comes to sporting activities. You can also derive other nutrients and fibers from these carb sources. The resistant starch can also help in nourishing the gut bacteria. Number 7. Avocados. Not many people who look forward to gaining weight have the idea that avocado is a fruit that contains healthy fats. It can help to achieve healthy weight gain. Different from other fruits you know, avocados are fairly calorie-dense. As a result, they remain among the best foods to eat to gain healthy weight. Surprisingly, a large avocado can provide you with about 322 calories, 14 grams of fiber, and 29 grams of fat. Other nutrients you can derive from these fruits include high vitamins, beneficial plant compounds, and minerals. Avocado toast remains one of the best ways to enjoy your avocado. Number 8. Yogurt. Consuming full-fat yogurt is a great way to get protein and nutrients. However, while yogurts are a great way to add a healthy weight, you should not take flavored yogurt. This is because of their chances to contain added sugars. There are lots of ways to get a healthy weight. While these foods have been proven to have nutrients and weight-gaining attributes, it is best to eat them in reasonable proportions to avoid gaining excess weight. It is also best to avoid all forms of added sugar if you wish to gain weight, as those contain no nutrients and are completely harmful to you. Check out our previous video on how drinking more water can help you lose weight. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. If you want to learn more about Kangen water, we've got a bunch of videos about it on our channel, some articles on our blog, and even an entire page dedicated to our experience with it. Or, if you prefer, you can always drop us a line, and we'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction. Come to our live demo and more.